Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Bapuji Pullepu. See, this problem is very important. One dimensional heat flow, steady state and zero boundary conditions. Now previously unsteady state conditions we done with zero boundary conditions. Steady state and zero boundary conditions is very important problem. See, while doing the problem I will tell you. Now just you can see a rod length L has its ends A and B kept 0 degrees and 100 degrees C until steady state prevail. What is the meaning of prevail? Prevail. Violation means what? So condition violation. Prevail means what? Until steady state, before breaking the steady state. So means what? It reaches to unsteady. So before breaking the steady state, this is the 0 and 100 degrees. Once if steady state breaks, if it reaches to 100 means what will happen? If the temperature at B is reduced suddenly to 0 degrees C and kept so while that A of is maintained. A is only 0 degrees. Find the temperature U of x comma t at a distance x from A and at any time t. So is what is now in steady states I am keeping 0 degrees, 100 degrees. Once if steady state breaks means what? This is reduced to 0. Actually thing is what previously U of x comma 0 is equal to some problem given x is not given actually L minus x they given, so E is not given. So we have to find out then attack normally. Now we see this problem is very important problem. This term is very important. Until steady state prevails, before breaking the steady state. Up to steady state, this is the condition. Once if steady state breaks means what? My B reaches to 0. Getting or not? So now write. Steady state means what is the meaning? There is no change with respect to time. So time bounding is constant. Now shall I rub off? Now equation is what? Dou u by dou t is equal to alpha square into dou square u by dou x square. So steady state means what? This term becomes 0, this differentiation t is constant. So implies dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0. Because u is only one variable, I can write d square u by dx square. D square u by dx square. Now integrating 2 times what I will get? Integrating on both sides. du by dx is equal to 1 c I will get. Again if you integrated means what? U is equal to cx plus b. Correct or not? Now only story start. This is what? In steady state. In steady state, my temperature is what? At x is equal to A, 0, and B is what? B means length, end actually, L length. This is 100 degrees. Now, x is equal to 0, U is equal to 0 given. Now substituted 0 is equal to B. See this collapse. So now at x is equal to L, at x is equal to L, now U is equal to what? This is at A, this is at B. X is equal to L, U is equal to 100. If you substituted, what you will get? 100 is equal to CL. B already 0. So C is equal to what? 100 by L. Now what is my U? See, now U is what? U of steady state t is equal to 0, then is what? Cx actually. So 100 by L into x. Now we see in steady state this temperature I am maintaining at the initial temperature. Once if steady state breaks, my B becomes 0. So in unsteady state my boundary conditions become what actually? U of 0 comma t is equal to 0, U of L comma t is equal to 0, but U of x comma 0 is what? 100 by L. Very first problem we done x. Already I told you they make you 100x, 70x, 50x like this. So extra time is what? 100 by L. Already we got there minus 2 to the power of n plus 1 into sin n pi by 2 or cos n pi by 2 something we got. The same answer. Getting on it. So very important question. So before steady state this is what? 0 and B. Once if steady state breaks my B reduced to 0 degrees. Then what? You are finding what you are doing, this equation you are finding. Previously this equation they are given. Now you are finding this equation. Getting or not? Now do the problem. You know in steady state this is the equation. You know what is the correct solution you can write. What is the correct solution? U of x comma t is equal to e power minus alpha square p square t a cos px plus b sin px. After substituting 1 and 2, finally where I will reach, I am skipping actually, I am not doing. Just you can check the previous problem. Previous 2 problems you can do. Then what I will get, just you can check actually. This you have to do lot of things. Just I am going U of x comma t is equal to what? Sigma e bn e power minus alpha square p square t sin n pi x by L. Sorry, this p also you have to change. U of x comma t is equal to what? Bn e power minus alpha square p square is what? N square pi square L square. In examination you have to do, just I am skipping again and again I am telling, sin n pi x by L. Now your given condition is what? U of x comma 0 is equal to 100x by L. Then this is equal to sigma bn, this become 1 sin n pi x L. Just you can call capital Bn is equal to small bn. Then this become 100x by L is equal to small bn sin nx. Then this what you will get? Bn is equal to what? 2 by L 0 to L f of x sin n pi x L dx. Then what I will do? Check that problem, x problem. Just I am skipping here, I am not doing anything. So this is what we will get. Bn is equal to 2 by L 0 to L 100 by Lx into sin. So x means what I got? Minus 2 power something I think so. Wait. Then after integration what will, just I am skipping actually. So what you will get? That is x means what I got? Minus 2, the minus 1 power n plus 2 into minus 1 power n plus 1. That is I can write. This whole thing you will get what? 200 by n pi minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 sin n pi x by L e power minus alpha square n square pi square L square t. N is equal to running from 1 to infinity. This is the solution. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.